It's already 6:30. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only adult in this house.
Hi there, sweetie. Did you miss me today?
Yes, you did.
Time for breakfast. Eggs and toast coming right up.
I need coffee. Good morning. You are late.
Oh no! I have a meeting today. I'm so late! I can't believe I overslept again! Gotta run. Wow, that feels better. You look refreshed. Today is a busy day.
Mom? Dad? Huh. That's strange. Where did everyone go? Okay, Anna. You can do this. Just take a deep breath and open the door. It feels good to start the day with a smile and help others. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
I am hungry.
I know.
Wow, they look delicious, Mommy.
And you deserve the first one.
Mommy.
Oh, Leo is awake. Good morning, Leo.
I want milk.
Okay, let's go. I tried the new slide at school, and it was super fast. You have to try new things, Leo.
I want to play with my friend.
That's nice.
Oh! I want to go too.
You are too malinky.
Too small. I am big.